we're taking another trip around the world at Christmas. I hope you've got your tickets and passports. This video is brought to you by all the lovely faces on this poster, but the mastermind is CJ DIY. Let's get started. Starting out in the United States because I live in America, specifically Florida. So some things we do in Florida are have snowmen on the beach. We like to put Santa hats on flamingos and use them in place of reindeer. We like to decorate our tropical plants with ornaments, lights, flip-flops, you name it. Palm trees are beautiful with Christmas lights. Now, the little red truck. That has taken America by storm. There's little red trucks on everything. Plates, cups, bed sheets, ornaments, you name it. The little red truck is everywhere. So I was pleasantly surprised to find the little red truck on tissue paper at my local Dollar Tree. Okay, so the love for the red truck is real. For this DIY, I have tissue paper that I was so shocked to find when I went into Dollar Tree with the little red truck with farm fresh trees on it. And I have a glass cutting board from Dollar Tree. I've already removed the feet. I have a candle holder from Dollar Tree, and then I have some dishwasher safe Mod Podge. Okay, so this is my paper all unfolded. There's several ways that you can apply the paper to the cutting board. You can apply it directly on top and use it as like a riser for decor, or apply it beneath and still use it as a cutting board, or maybe something to serve food on for Christmas. So I'm going to go ahead and get my paper traced, and I'm going to apply it to the top and then glue my candle holder to the bottom. I'm applying my Mod Podge in small sections and smoothing the tissue paper out with a bit of wax paper on top. It does take about 28 days for this dishwasher safe Mod Podge to fully cure, but once it does, you're able to wipe your products down, or as the name says, put them in the dishwasher with no problems. And then I'll just go ahead and put some over the top and let this completely dry. It's all dry now. So I'm going to go ahead and add some Gorilla Clear Grip glue. Such an easy DIY, but it came out really cute. I love this tissue paper. Additionally, you can Mod Podge this tissue paper on candles, plates, chargers, whatever your imagination is, you can make that project happen. And I think this looks so cute as a holiday riser. Okay, so we left America and now we've landed in the Kingdom of Sweden. In Sweden, Merry Christmas is said as God Jul. On Christmas Eve, Swedes will celebrate Christmas by attending church services, and then afterwards, they have a traditional buffet dinner or a smorgasbord with ham, pork, or fish, and a variety of sweets. After the festive Christmas Eve dinner, someone dresses up as a tomte. According to Swedish folklore, the tomte is a Christmas gnome who lives in the forest. He is the Swedish equivalent to Santa Claus, and he'll hand out gifts. His sidekick is a goat made of straw, or the Yule goat. And this tomte will do chores around your house as well. And tomte actually translates as homestead man. So he will help you with your chores around your home. And the only thing he asks in return is a large bowl of porridge with butter on top on Christmas Eve. So looking around through my Christmas stash, I found some little miniature tomte, or gnomes as we call them here in America. So I want to use these two with the red hats, since that's keeping with the tradition of the tomte in Sweden, with the red hat not having the fur trim around it and having a thick white beard. So I have these bamboo rings. I'm not sure which one that I'll use, but I want to attach my tomte to this and use some of this faux pine. And I have some additional little pine cones and a couple of different ribbons. Okay, so these rings, the larger one is 7.8 inches and the smaller one is 5.9 inches. So these are so small. Let's see which one would look the best. Maybe I should put like I think there should be like a tree. So I have my little tree set in the middle, and I found this wooden Merry Christmas banner. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the strings pulled off these ornaments and then get everything hot glued down to my bamboo ring. For the wooden banner, I'm going to use apple red for that and apply that with hot glue as well. And to embellish the bottom of this wreath, I have some faux pieces of greenery that I'm gonna snip and apply kind of like a small swag on the bottom, and then add a few small faux berries from Dollar Tree and then a couple of pine cones just to complete the bottom, not to make it super full because it's such a small bamboo ring, but just to give a little bit of embellishment. And then I'm using this Merry Christmas ribbon I found at Dollar Tree to add a hanger up to the top, and that's it for this tomte wreath. Ooh, Jul, friend. Merry Christmas, friend. Let me know, what do you think of my tomte wreath? I know my pronunciation of the Swedish words is not perfect, but I am trying. Christians all over the world are united in their love of the Nativity and celebrating the birth of Jesus. Although we have different languages, different skin tones, and wear different clothing, the Nativity is instantly recognizable no matter what country it's from. I really love Nativity DIYs. I was really happy to find this little finger puppet nativity kit at Dollar Tree. So I'm going to use this along with one of the wooden houses from Dollar Tree, a piece of contact paper, and a little wooden star, all from Dollar Tree. But first, I need to get the back of this house knocked out. So I'm going to use a rubber mallet to get that achieved. And this isn't a complete set. It only has two wise men, so I'll only be using the Holy Family and the angel to fit inside this little house box. After applying the contact paper, I add antique wax to the veneer of the house shape just to darken it up so it matches that contact paper a bit more. So to get the little finger puppets assembled, I just went along with the picture that was on the package. And because it is Dollar Tree, not everything is perfectly proportionate. So I'm just doing the dry fit on camera, just laying the pieces out, and then I go back and glue them. But I'm not going to make you sit through me gluing every single piece of all three of the characters. I started out using fabric glue, but then I switched to my hot glue on a low setting, and that just made it go not just a lot quicker, but it was just a lot easier, and the pieces were instantly set and there was no moving around. This would be a great project to do with your little ones and using, say, Aleene's tacky glue or even the school glue. For the star, I just use bright yellow, and then when the paint is still wet, sprinkle a little holographic glitter so I end up with a really shiny star for the top of my stable. To attach the angel, I don't want to just glue it to the back wall. I want to have the angel hang. So I want to try to add a little piece of twine and hot glue it to the top so the angel kind of dangles above or hovers above the Holy Family. And using this raffia bow, I'm going to cut a piece off so that it looks like I have straw in my little stable. So to add the little family on the bottom, they seem stable enough that I won't have to put a block or a piece of craft stick to hold them up. So I'm going to put them in sort of at an angle and just hot glue them down. And here it is all complete. I think this turned out so adorably. This is such a kid-friendly project and a kid-friendly piece of decor. Really, you wouldn't have to worry about your child touching or breaking anything because it's just felt. Let me know, what do you think of this little nativity? And here's a look back at my other two DIYs from this video. This was so much fun creating these projects. I always have so much fun participating with these lovely ladies and these around the world videos. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. It's 100% free. Like, comment, and share. Thanks so much for watching. Please check out the playlist. I'll have the link in the description box. Have a wonderful day. God bless you.